Baolai Medical Ultrasonic Scaler Initial Use Guide. 1. Unboxing. 2. Display of all accessories. 3. Handpiece installation. Align and insert between the 2 points. 4. Scaler tips installation. Tighten scaler tip with torque wrench. 5. Installation of adapter, foot switch and water pipe. Single pass water inlet 2026 version. Connect each component to the corresponding port. Six. Water supply. Open the air valve after inserting the water pipe. 7. Start. Turn on the water switch. Adjust to the appropriate power. 8. Easy to use.